Crude oil and natural gas both stayed bullish for the day. We have seen now net gas breaching 4.2 levels. And see, those who follow me for long, I have mentioned several times that net gas must hit 4.2, 4.4 zone very, very soon. And now we are at the same zone. While it is crude oil, see, after getting the support from 73, what we had discussed earlier should offer a greater support 73, 72.8. Prices have bounced back and now it is back to 74. What to expect today from oil and gas? Are we looking forward to a greater rise from the current levels, or the highs are done and we should wait for a reversal? Where to enter, where to exit, how to profit, we're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day, and this is the only channel to give you twice a day updates with detailed analysis and reasoning behind every level. Thus, subscribe, press the bell icon to get the notifications. Do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First, to look into oil, followed with gas. Watch till the end. Oil on the hourly chart. See, after this greater dip yesterday, it is just trying to consolidate. Now, it is very, very important for it to trade beyond 74, 74.2, the levels which you have seen offering a greater resistance. And now, if you see it is staying beyond 74.2, you can stay with the buy. This time, it may deliver a breakout where the first target is going to be towards 74.6, then 75.1, and then in fact 76 would be seen. See what it is doing. After every rise it drops here. After every rise we have seen a drop, and now it may move towards the highs here where 76, 76.4 should be there very, very soon. Stochastic rising, the MACD, if you see, after hitting the bottom trying to converge crossover for a buy, the RSI is flat here. Coming to 2 hour, look at the 2 hour chart, see consolidation going on, and yes, you can see higher lows, lower highs. Very, very important for oil to trade beyond 74.2. If you see it is staying beyond 74.2, this might deliver a breakout. We can see 74.5, 74.6 first, and in fact 75 levels. Beyond 75 this time, the bulls will be strong. 75.8, 76.4 should be there. Stochastic rising, the MACD is staying bearish, the RSI running flat here on the 3 hour charts, and you see what has happened on the 3 hour chart. See, 20 period offered it a very, very good support, and so far for last multiple candles you have seen 20 period offering a very good support to crude oil. Now with that as support, prices are trying to bounce back. Now see the last couple of candles, consolidation is seen here, and you can see the closing of the candle is in red, but yes, above the preceding close, which means still there is a bullishness. And if you see it is staying beyond 74.2, you can expect 74.5, 74.6, and if that is taken, it may lead to a stronger rise towards 75, or in fact 75.8, 76.4 levels. Stochastic rising, MACD is trading with bearishness, and the RSI, if you look at, is almost running flat. Coming to 4 hour chart, similar observation on the 4 hour charts, that support from the 20 period pretty strong, and see every time it drops it tries to bounce back, and this could not be other exception. It might try to recover from the current levels, possibility is there. However, I'll recommend you to wait for 74.2 levels. Now once it trades beyond 74.2, 74.3, you can say now the bulls are taking over. 74.6, 75, 75.8, 76.4 has to be there. While on the downside now, see, we have seen 73 offering it a very good support here so far. So let it stay below this zone, it will confirm further bearishness here, possibly. See, notice drop, retracement, and once it drops below 73, 72.8, this will invite more bears, which is going to take it towards 72. Stochastic rising, MACD bearish, RSI flat. Coming to daily charts. Now on the daily charts, notice what has happened here. We can see consolidation for the last few candles. You can see the preceding couple of candles comes with higher highs and higher lows, and today again it has hit higher lows. Now preceding candle is a greener one, current candle might stay in green, and in fact it can breach the preceding highs. In fact, it can trade above 76 as well. But right now we should not jump on to the conclusion. See, once it trades below 73 and 72.4 levels, we can expect a reversal as well, because see, rise, retracement, rise, and if it retraces, this should bring or invite more bears. Stochastic at top, the MACD trading bullish, the RSI is overbought here. So considering this, before I provide you the levels, if you also see, we are just under 3 to 4 minutes, we have completed the analysis. We have also understood the levels and the reasoning behind each and every levels. So if you also want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. The 33rd batch starts on 30th of June. Do not miss to register for it. Connect with me, write an email, ping me or telegram for your queries. Those looking forward to a trusted partner where you can trade safe, the partner which offers you swap free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges. easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. And yes, if you just want to trade as per the signals, you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram. Again, connect with me for your query. Now, first point is where you should buy. Yes, if you see oil trading beyond 74.2, 74.3, buy here, expect 74.6 and 75. Once it trades beyond 75, ideally we will look forward to 75.8, 76.4, and then in fact 77.4 levels at the next targets. While on the downside, if you see oil trading below 73.4, you can take a sell, expect 73, 72.5. And if 72.5, the next is 72. Till 72, it has got great support. Below 72, we can expect more bearishness to follow. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Let's move to natural gas. Now see what natural gas is doing. Rise, consolidation, support from 20 period. Rise, consolidation, support from 20 period. And after every support, it has bounced back strongly. Now where are the highs aiming towards? The highs are aiming towards 4.26, 4.3 levels. So yes, if you see it is staying beyond 4.22, stay bullish for 4.26 and then 4.3 levels possibly. Beyond 4.3, it should deliver another breakout move, taking it all the way towards 4.4. Now these are definitely critical milestones for net gas to breach beyond. Moving averages, trading with divergence is staying bullish. Stochastic rising here. The MACD again, after showing the swing, trying to cross over for a buy. The RSI back to overbought zone. Coming to 2-hour chart, similar is the observation on the 2-hour charts. Now the support from 4.15 getting stronger here. So if you see it is staying below 4.14, take a sell for 4.1. And if it trades below 4.1, more bearishness to follow, and then 4.05 to be seen. Below 4.05, it will enter into correction territory. Right now, it is not showing signs of it. Stochastic is placed comfortably. The MACD is the one which is still on the sell side, and see this is coming after a good rise where it is trying to again trading in red but still rising. So I will wait for it to stay beyond 4.22 and 4.26 levels. RSI extremely overbought here. Coming to 3 hour, on the 3 hour chart, similar observation. The support from 4.15, 4.14 pretty strong, and you can see higher highs, higher lows are seen. It can still reach further highs here, but only worry point is the divergence. See what we had seen on the 1H 2H, that the prices tries to converge towards 20 period. Now it is important that it may again try to converge towards this, but notice it has formed a very good base, and with this as base, potentially it might stay in green. Moving average is bullish, stochastic overbought. MACD at the top here, it is trying to cross over for a sell, it is not yet crossed over. RSI is staying extremely overbought. On the 4 hour charts, and you see similar is the observation here on the 4 hour charts. The support here, support here, support here. So now very important for net gas to first breach below 4.1514 and then 4.0504. If these levels are taken, it's a reversal. As long as net gas stays above this level, this is still staying bullish, not yet showing any signs of reversal. And thus at least till towards 4.1514, you have to be very careful with the sells. Rather, you should stay away from the sells. If you see the stochastic, this is extremely overbought. The MACD has seen a good ride. It is not yet crossed over. It is still staying in green. And the RSI is overbought here. Coming to daily chart. On the daily charts, notice this is the fifth straight bullish candle after showing or after giving a gap up here. We have seen this complete week natural gas staying in green and delivering a stronger bullish move. The moving averages crossing over here is indeed a good bullish sign. See, after the rise, price has retraced and now trying to break out. So this is possible that net gas might try to move towards the high. The highs here are towards 4.4. So let's watch out if it delivers this breakout here on the upside. Right now it is struggling here definitely. The stochastic back to overbought zone, the MACD divergent and bullish, the RSI is rising as well. So considering this, see where you should buy. I will recommend you to now wait for 4.22 levels to be taken in order to initiate a buying position. And then what you can expect? You can expect 4.26 at the first target zone, 4.3 at the next. And staying beyond 4.3, stay bullish for 4.4 levels directly. This is the zone. Definitely we should offer a greater resistance for natural gas for any upside move. While on the downside, now the selling entries are only limited at 3.34, where you can 4 point, sorry, not 3.34 but 4.14, and if it trades below 4.14, stay short for 4.1, 4.05. Any point of time net gas is staying below 4.0504, you can expect more bearishness to follow. Below 4.0504, we can look forward to $4 levels as the strongest support, 3.97 as the next, 3.92 as the third, and then 3.8 levels. Still 3.8 On the daily charts, we should not be treating natural gas as bearish. Only and only if it trades beyond uh, 3.8, you can say now the bears are back and we can look forward to a massive down move here. Right now, no signs of such a greater correction is there. So take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, reach out to me for your queries, join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. The next update will be released before the US session. Do not miss to before see every day I release twice a day updates. The next update will be there before the Asia and Europe session. But yes, we also have a weekly forecast tomorrow, so do not miss to watch. The subscribe, press the bell icon. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.